Namaskar students, today we will learn arithmetic progression class 10 CBSE board. In this video we will learn important formulas and board questions which are asked in different years. Produced by Fuji Math Academy. So let's start. First of all, introduction. Arithmetic progression is one of the most scoring chapters in class 10 maths. Importance of AP. Every year 2 to 3 questions are asked from arithmetic progression in CBSE exams. What is a sequence? A sequence is a list of numbers written in a fixed order. What is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between consecutive terms is same. Example of AP: 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 is an AP where common difference is 3. If we subtract from 5 minus 2, answer will come 3. If we subtract from 8 minus 5, answer will come 3. If we subtract from 11 to 8, answer will come 3. Therefore, the difference between two consecutive terms is always 3. Basic terms of AP. First term is written as A, common difference as D, and the number of terms as N. Formula for nth term. The nth term of an AP is given by An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula can be used as the last term. Last term L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Same formula. Formula for sum of terms. Sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn equal to n upon 2 under the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, bold questions. Question 1, which is asked in CBSE 2017. Find the 10th term of the AP 3, 7, 11, dash dash dash. Here first term A is 3, common difference D is 4 and number of terms is 10 because 10th term is asking. Using An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A10 equal to 3 plus, in place of n I will put 10, then 10 minus 1, that will be 9 into d. D is 4, therefore 3 plus 9 into 4, answer will come 39. That is my answer. Now question number 2, which is asked in CBSE 2018. Find the 15th term of the AP 7, 10, 13 and so on. Here A is 7 because first term is 7, D is 3 because 10 minus 7 is 3, 13 minus 10 is 3, therefore common difference is 3, and N is 15 because 15th term is asking in this question. Now we will apply the formula of An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of A, we will put 7 plus under the bracket N minus 1, and in place of D, we will put as 3. Putting these values as 7 plus 14 into 3. 14 3 are 42, 42 plus 7 49. Answer has come. Answer has came. That is my answer. Now come to the question number 3, which is asked in CBSE 2016. How many terms are there in the AP 5, 9, 13, dash 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 401? Here A is 15 because first term is 5. D is 4 because common difference between two consecutive numbers is 4, because if we separate from 9 to 5, answer will come 4. 13 minus 9, 4. Therefore common difference is 4. And here last term is given as 401. Therefore I have written last term 401. We will apply the formula of An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of A, we will put as 5 plus N minus 1 because we have to find the number of terms. N will remain N and into D. D means here D is 4, therefore we have put as 4. Here after solving this equation 401, 5 will go in this side, this will become minus 401 minus 5, and this will become N minus 1 into 4. This will become 396. 4 will go in this side, it will be divided by 4, and here N minus 1, answer will come. 4 will divide this 99. N equal to 99 plus 1 equal to 100. That is my answer. Now come to the question number 4, which is asked in CBSE 2019. Find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. Here A is 1 because first natural number is 1, common difference is 1, and N is 20. We will apply the formula of Sn equal to n upon 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. After solving this value, in place of n, we will put as 20, 20 upon 2. A means 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. In place of n, we will put as 20, 20 minus 1 will be 19, 19 into D. D means 1. If we solve it, 10, 20 upon 2 means 10 into under the bracket 2 plus 19. 19 means 19 plus 2, 21. If we multiply 20 into 10, answer will come That is my answer. Now come to the question number 5, which is asked in CBSE 2020. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 4. First 15 multiples of 4. Here A is 4 because it will start from 4. First term will be 4. Common difference is again 4, and number of terms will be 15 because it is asked as 15 multiples of 4. Therefore, we will put n equal to 15. We will apply the formula of Sn equal to n upon 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the values in this formula, in place of n, I have put as 15, 15 upon 2 under the bracket, 2 into a, 2 into a means 4, 2 4 ja 8 plus n minus 1, n means 15, 15 minus 1, 14 into d. 14 into d means 4, 14 4 ja 56. We have got 480 as answer. That is my answer. Now come to the question number 6, which is asked in CBSE 2021. If the fifth term of an AP is 20 and D is 3, find A. You have to find as A. Fifth term is given. Fifth term is given 20 and D is 3. Here fifth term means a plus 4d and fifth term is 20. Fifth term is given as 20 because here 20 is given, and a plus 4d equal to 20. D value of d is given as 3. Therefore a plus 4 into 3 4. Therefore, a plus 4d, a plus 4 into d, d means 3. Therefore, a plus 12 equal to 20. After solving, we will get as a equal to 8. That is my answer. Now come to the question number 7, which is asked in CBSE 2018. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of AP, 6, 13, 20 and so on. Here A is 6 because first term is 6, common difference is 7 because 13 minus 6 is 7, 20 minus 13 is 7, therefore common difference is 7, and n is 10 because 10 terms is asking. We will use the formula as n upon 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, we will put as 10, 10 upon 2 means 5 under the bracket, 2 into a. 2 into a means 6. Therefore, after multiplying 2 into 6, that will be 12 plus n minus 1. N means 10. Therefore, 9 into d. D is 7. 9 7 is 63. After adding these values 12 plus 63 and multiplying by 5, I have got 375. That is my answer. Now come to the question number 8, which is asked in CBSE 2022. How many terms of the AP 18, 15, 12, dash 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 are positive? Here first term is 18. Common difference is minus 3 because 15 minus 18, answer will come minus 3. 18, 12 minus 15, answer will come minus 3. Therefore, common difference is minus 3. Here it is asking about positive numbers. Therefore, nth term will be positive. Therefore, I will write as an is greater than 0. In place of A, I have put as 18 plus n minus 1 into D. In place of D, I have put as minus 3 greater than 0. After solving, we will get as n equal to 6. After solving, we will get as 18. This will go in this side. It will become positive. 3 into n, 3n, minus 3 1 ja 3. Minus 3 will come in this side. 18 plus 3, 21. Greater than 3n, or it can be written as n is less than 3 7 ja 21. Total 6 terms will be positive, and after 6 terms, meaning 7 term, 8 term, will become negative. Question number 9, which is asked in CBSE 2023. Find the 20th term of AP whose first term is 7 and the last term is 67. Here A is 7, first term is 7, last term is 67, and n equal to 20 because number of terms is 20. 20 terms is asking. We will apply this formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An minus a upon n minus 1 equal to d. I have used this formula. An minus a upon n minus 1 equal to d. After simplifying this formula, we have got this value, and putting these values in d, I have got d as 3. Putting the value of d as 3 in A20 because 20th term is asking. Therefore, I have applied as a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of a, I have put as 7 because first term is given 7 plus 20th term means 20 minus 1, 19 into d. I have applied this formula a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of a, I have put as 7 plus n minus 1 because number of terms is given 20. Therefore, 20 minus 1, 19 into d. D means here 3. After solving this value, we have got as 64. 20th term is 64. That is my answer. Now let's move to the question number 10, which is asked in CBSE 2020. Horse question. Find the sum of all 2-digit numbers divisible by 3. Here AP is 12, 15, 18. last term will be 99 because all these terms are divisible by 3. Here A is 12, D is 3. We have found the value of n as 99 minus 12 upon 3 plus 1, n equal to 30. Putting the value of n as 30, we have applied the formula of Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, I have put as 30, 30 upon 2 under the bracket 2 into a, 2 into value of a is 12, 12 to the 24 plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, I have put as 30, 30 minus 1, 29, 29 into d, d means 3, 29 into 3 means 87. After adding 24 and 87 and multiplying by 15, we have got the answer as 1665. That is my answer. Conclusion: practice AP daily and board questions become very easy. For online tuition, visit www.fujimathacademy.com or call 6264302661. Thank you.